and welcome to another OnSign TV Academy video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a pretty cool feature that we have in OnSign TV, which is called the composition tool. To get to it, we're going to be clicking here in New and clicking Composition. So this tool is going to be helping you a lot in order to create new designs, right? So the first thing that we're going to be seeing here is the option to use landscape contents or portrait contents. So on landscape here, we have the option to start from a blank canvas, or we could be selecting one of our directory templates, one of our menu board templates, or some sales ads templates. Okay, so let's select this one here. Okay, so this is the canvas. Well, we could be clicking on contents here and we could be editing them. So let's say that instead of 30, we could be adding 40 here, or we could be removing this one, right? So as it came already with the template, we could be clicking here on layers and seeing each of the items that we have there, okay? And we could be also rearranging them accordingly to what we want. We could be hiding them or showing them, okay? Or even deleting the layers from here. Here we have the settings options where we can change the resolution of this canvas. We have some stickers you could be using on your templates, on your designs. We could be creating shapes here. So I just created a rectangle here. We could be doing something like this in order to add some text to the bottom. So I'm simply dragging stuff here. I'm going to click on this little arrow to have more options here on how to prepare this shape. So we have here the option to change the color. So I want white. Okay, click and choose. We have the options here to adjust it manually according to what we want. We can add a shadow, right? So what I want to do next is actually create a text to it. So I click here in the text option, and I want to click here selecting my font. So I have just selected it, and first of all I want to position it, so I'm going to click on this little arrow to have more room to manage my designs. So I just want to drag this text box until I can see it all. And I can add it here, welcome to Composer. And I could be also clicking here to align center horizontally. We could be also aligning it to the left, to the right. And we also have some other options here to help you better organize your contents on your design, okay? We could be also zooming in or out in order to better view it. And we could be also add images to the designs you're creating. So we could be adding the images you already have uploaded to OnSign TV, or you could click here and upload files from your computer. After we're good with it, we can click in Save As and choose a name to it. My first composition, and click in Save. So it's going to be a different file format. As you can see, it has a different color and a different icon if you compare it to image, but it's going to be behaving just like an image. And now you could be creating compositions straight from OnSign TV and publishing it to your playlists, to your campaigns, and also to your players. All right, so this is the composition tool. On the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually have some great possibilities on publishing campaigns when talking about restrictions and playback types. Okay, so we'll see you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.